What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota Mirai remote key fob. So this key fob is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the smart key. That's done by pressing this release here, and then the key will slide out like that. I'm going to use this key to open the fob case. You can also do the same thing with a flathead screwdriver. If we take a look down here near where we just pulled that emergency key out of, we see this slot right here. What you want to do is stick your key or flathead screwdriver in that slot, and then we're going to twist it like this, like we're opening a lock. And if you notice, this key has a little bit of a lip on it. That's why you're able to use this key. So stick your key or screwdriver in that slot, make sure it's all the way in there, and then twist. And as you do that, it'll pop the shell apart. Now we see our battery right here. And you'll need to grab a small screwdriver, or really anything just with a point on it. And we're going to get in this notch right here and get under the edge of the battery. Get the old battery out of there. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up. Snap that into place. Make sure your board is sitting down in that rubber piece all the way. And then go ahead and snap the back on. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.